Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next pair of shoes to go ahead and tell you all about them, and that's what I'm going to do. Check out this little strappy shoe with its counterpart here. These are a beautiful pair of black, kind of a dressier shoe. It's good for work, good for going out dancing. It could even be good for weddings or churches. The rounded toe is covered in a black fabric, as you can see. It's a very fine fabric. And then it's going ahead and couples against a different texture here with the black patent leather surfacing for the strap and for the top of the foot, and then for the actual rest of the shoe itself. It is moderately padded. It's not super cushy in there, so you're going to have some support. The heel itself is a 3-inch heel. You can kind of see that is a nice heel. That's a nice look there. Look at that. It's just a very comfortable shoe. My wife's worn it a little bit around the house, and she's getting ready to go ahead and she's going to wear it probably to a baby shower this weekend. You can see they just look very nice. As you can see, these shoes could definitely be for a casual or a little more formal work function. By the way, the strap itself, there is no buckle on it. It's just an elastic strap, so you just kind of put your foot in there and you can slide your heel in. Obviously, they come in different sizes, but they just look really good.